Hello everyone. My name is Joe. Hope you all are doing well. This is a series of videos where we'll discuss questions very similar to Azure AI-102 certification exam questions. We'll go through these questions, discuss in detail each and every option and figure out the correct one. So if you're preparing for AI-102 certification, feel free to join me in this series of videos. A basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful for you to better understand these questions. To prepare for the certification, I watched one training and it was extremely helpful. Although you can watch any trainings, I would highly recommend this one. I'll provide the link of this training in the description box below. Now to the question. You're fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model with 500 prompt completion pairs. What file format should you use to ensure seamless data ingestion and processing by the Azure OpenAI fine-tuning API? The options are TSV, JSONL, JSON, and CSV. Let us break down the question. What are the keywords? So it is regarding fine-tuning an Azure OpenAI model. So we have to give our own data to the model. So which format should be the data in? That is the question. Now what is fine-tuning? So fine-tuning is taking a pre-trained model and training it with our own data so that we can use it for our own specific scenario, or we can improve the model based on our requirement. So that is what is fine-tuning is, in case you didn't know. Now for fine-tuning a model, we need to provide our own data. So in what format should we provide this data to OpenAI fine-tuning API? That is the question, which is the most suited format. Now let us get into the documentation. So this is a documentation about customizing a model with fine-tuning. The documentation illustrates the steps to follow to fine-tune a model. So these are the models which we can fine-tune. Now for fine-tuning, you have to prepare your training and validation data. Your training data and validation data sets consist of input and output examples for how you would like the model to perform. So there should be two data sets. One is the training data and other is the validation data. So training data is used to train the model. And what is the purpose of validation data set? So validation data set is used to evaluate the model and then further adjust the parameters. So we can evaluate the model using the validation data sets and further fine-tune the model if it is required. So these are the two data sets. And then there is a test data set as well. So we don't want to know about the test data set now. Now the training and validation data you use must be formatted as JSON lines or JSONL document. So the format is JSON lines. So what is JSON lines? So it is a structured data in which the file is like a sequence. So each line is an object. So that is what is JSON lines. So here is an example file format. So it is a sequence of data and there will be multiple lines and each line in this file is an object. So this is how you upload the data sets to the model. So the training and the validation data you use must be formatted as JSON lines document. Now let us get back into the question. Now what is the correct answer? The correct answer is JSONL. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.